Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pudding using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a dash of vanilla extract. Make sure you have a medium saucepan and a whisk on hand. Precise measurements are key for that perfect creamy texture, so double-check everything before you begin this delightful culinary adventure. Now let's get cooking. In your medium saucepan, whisk together the sugar and cornstarch until they are well combined. This prevents lumps later on. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously until the mixture is completely smooth. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue to stir constantly. This constant motion is crucial to prevent scorching and ensure even thickening of your pudding. Keep stirring your pudding mixture over medium heat. You'll notice it starting to thicken after about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it reaches your desired consistency, which should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, remove it immediately from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Pour the warm pudding into individual serving dishes and chill them in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before enjoying. Your delicious homemade pudding is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled, either plain or with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or some chocolate shavings make wonderful additions. This easy method ensures a consistently creamy and satisfying dessert every time. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.